Hi, I'm Beth and I'm a canine behaviourist and training advisor here at Battersea. Today we're going to look at how it's best to train a blind dog and how to set up their living space. Blind dogs may not be able to see, but that doesn't affect their ability to or their desire to learn. Investing time in training your dog, whether they are short-sighted, visually impaired or blind, will develop a stronger relationship between you and your pet. Caring for a blind dog isn't that different to caring for a sighted dog, but there are a few things that you can do around the home to make sure they are as safe and comfortable as possible. Training with your dog is a constructive way to keep them active. With a blind dog, it's even more important to teach them commands to help keep them safe. Commands let your dog know about obstacles and can help them to navigate the world around them. Let's take a look. Part 1. Setting your home up for a blind dog. As with any dog, bringing a blind dog into your home will require some careful planning to ensure that they feel comfortable and safe. This will help them settle into their new home environment. Make sure your house is dog safe. Living life at a dog's height comes with lots of hazards, especially when they can't see them. Make sure any sharp edges and corners have protectors on them, and ensure that anything they might bump into won't cause them harm. Look out for anything that your blind dog might fall down, such as stairs. It's a good idea to use baby gates at the top of stairs so your dog gets used to where they are. Give them a tour. Bear in mind that your home will be completely new to your dog and it might take them a while to learn the layout. It's a good idea to lead your dog through the house when they come home for the first time. This will give them the chance to start to familiarise themselves with the surroundings and smells. You could also lay out a trail of food that your dog can follow to get them used to using their nose throughout their new home. Don't move their food and water. Consistency is very important for a blind dog. Once they have learned where things are, like their food and water, they will find it easier to return to on their own. Keeping things as familiar as possible will help them get to grips with their new environment and learn their way around. Add some recognisable features to different rooms. Adding different distinctive items that your dog might interact with, such as a textured rug, can help them identify rooms around the house. You can also use mats or carpet tiles as a different texture to indicate an obstacle, such as stairs or an item of furniture. Create a comfy space where your dog can go. Every animal needs their own space from time to time, but it's particularly easy for a blind dog to become overwhelmed. Create a safe, cosy space that your dog can call their own when they just need some time out. A soft, padded dog bed should work, and you can even add familiar smelling blankets to make it even more appealing. Part 2. Training tips for your blind dog. Tip 1. Keep it short and positive. When training any dog, you should aim to make it fun and rewarding for both of you. The best way to do this is with praise and treats, but remember to adjust their food intake to avoid overfeeding them. To begin with, keep sessions short and train in a familiar area without distractions. Tip 2. Consider using a clicker. Clickers, which are used to mark the behaviour that we want to see, can be particularly beneficial when we're working with blind dogs. The noise is quick, distinct and consistent, all of which your blind dog will appreciate. Take a look at our advice on clicker training for more information. Consistency is vital to ensure that you're not confusing your dog or frustrating them, so make sure everybody involved in your dog's training uses the same command for each behaviour. Tip 3. Talk to your dog. Without their vision, your dog's other senses, such as their sense of smell and hearing, are even more heightened. Talking to your dog will reassure them and help them understand where you are in relation to them. You should always make sure that you talk to your dog before you touch them, so they know you're there and you don't scare or startle them. Tip 4. Using scent during playtime. Blind dogs need walks and playtime just like any other dog, but they might need a bit of help finding and chasing things. Try letting your dog sniff the toy before you throw it to help them sniff it out. Always play in a safe, open area with your dog and give them the chance to explore the space before you start. Part 3. Commands to teach your blind dog. Commands are a useful way of letting your dog know that something's about to change. whether that be walking speed, direction, or another dog or person is about to approach them. All commands should be distinct and different to help your dog understand what you're asking them or telling them. Wait. Use this command to announce to your dog that you are about to stop walking. Say the word stop and wait for your dog to stop too. Praise, reward, and when you're ready to carry on, give the walk on command. Walk on. Before you resume walking, give the walk on command, gently leading them and praising them as they walk on. Hup. Say hup as you approach a step or curb and step up before your dog does. Step. Say step as you approach a step down or a curb and step down before your dog does. Right. Use as you turn right. Left. Use as you turn left. Who's this? Use this to announce the arrival of a new person or dog so that they are aware of their arrival and they can sniff them to investigate. If you're struggling or feel like you need extra support, we would recommend getting in touch with a trainer. If you need advice or help on how to find a trainer, then visit our website. That was our advice on training and caring for your blind dog. If you'd like to learn more about how to teach your dog the Battersea way, then make sure you hit the subscribe button below.